Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products on Canva. You first need to identify a specific market segment with a clear demand. Consider designing items like printable planners, social media templates, or unique digital art. Research popular trends and what other successful creators are offering. Focus on solving a problem or fulfilling a specific need for your target audience. This foundational step ensures your efforts are well-directed and have the best chance of resonating with buyers. Once your niche is set, dive into Canva's design interface. Customize existing templates or start from scratch, allowing your creativity to shine. Pay close attention to details, ensuring all elements are perfectly aligned and visually appealing. Export your final designs in appropriate formats, like PDF for printables or PNG for graphics. Remember, a polished product builds trust and encourages repeat purchases from your satisfied customers. Setting the right price is crucial for attracting buyers while valuing your work. Consider your time investment, the value provided, and competitor pricing, aiming for a sweet spot. Next, select a platform that aligns with your business goals. Some have millions of active users. Craft engaging product titles and detailed descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Include at least 3 to 5 compelling product images or mock-ups to showcase your offerings effectively. Effective marketing is key to getting your products seen by the right people. Share sneak peeks, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content to build anticipation. Utilize relevant hashtags and engage with your community to grow your following naturally. Collaborating with other creators can also expand your reach significantly. Consistent promotion, coupled with excellent customer service, will help establish your brand and drive long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.